And I want to add some Euphorbias. There are so many different species of Euphorbia. There is certainly one that you can put anywhere in your garden. Now this is Martinii Tiny Tim, which doesn't get very big. It probably grows 12, 18, maybe 2 foot on our rich soil, which is fine because it's in front of the rows, it's fairly near the path, not too near, because as with all Euphorbias, it does have a sap that can irritate your skin. And if you've got sensitive skin, it's probably a good idea to wear gloves. Now, you don't need to prepare the soil. Martinii grows on any good, free-draining, fairly rich soil in full sun or part shade, which pretty much fits this description.